Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Okay, so we're looking at two super-automatic espresso machines, right? The Philips 5400 LatteGo and the KitchenAid KF8. Big price difference right off the bat. The Philips is around $799, and the KitchenAid is a whopping $1,999.95.
Yeah, that's a huge jump. So what are we getting for that extra cash with the KitchenAid?
Well, the KitchenAid boasts a wider range of drink options, like 40-plus recipes, including Americano, latte, and cappuccino. The Philips offers 12, which is still decent, but not nearly as versatile.
Okay, so more variety. What about the milk frothing?
Both have automatic milk frothing, but the KitchenAid specifically mentions plant-based milk options. That's pretty cool for people who don't do dairy. The Philips uses its LatteGo system, which is known for being easy to clean, only 2 parts and no tubes.
Cleaning is key. Nobody wants a complicated espresso machine to maintain. What about the grinders?
The Philips has ceramic grinders adjustable in 12 steps, and Philips claims they're good for 20,000 cups. The KitchenAid doesn't explicitly state grinder material, but it focuses on the removable bean hopper, which makes swapping beans easy.
Ceramic grinders are generally considered more durable. What about size and weight? My counter space is precious.
The Philips is more compact at 15 dx 10 inches wx 17 h and weighs 18.58 pounds. The KitchenAid is a bit bigger at 18.5 dx 10.2 wx 14.3 h and significantly heavier, 40.5 pounds.
Wow, almost double the weight. So the Philips is lighter and more compact. But the KitchenAid has more drink options and plant-based milk frothing. Tough call.
And don't forget the build. The KitchenAid emphasizes its metal-clad construction for durability, while the Philips, while durable, doesn't highlight metal construction as much.
Right, so if you want a wider range of drinks, including plant-based milk options, and you're willing to pay a premium and have space, the KitchenAid seems like the way to go. But if you're looking for a reliable, easier to clean, and more affordable option, the Philips is a solid choice. It really comes down to budget and your specific coffee needs, I think.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.